Good morning, everyone. John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to the .com Lifestyle Vlog. It is Friday, January 12th, 8 a.m. in the morning. Let's check the stats. Last night, I had a really good day. So the day finished up last night at $12,625.20. And so far this morning, I am at $258.05. So we'll see. It's a good start to the day. We'll see what happens at the end of the day. And a little update since I haven't done a regular vlog in a little bit. So far this year, I am at $76,566.37. That works out to almost $7,000 a day this year. So it's a good start to 2018. A little higher than last year. So we'll see what happens when end of this day. Right now, it's like good start. $258. I mean, I always like waking up to thousands of dollars, but hey, waking up to $258 is better than waking up to nothing, right? So anyway, my name is John Chow, and this is the .com Lifestyle Vlog. For those who don't know, what I do in this vlog is I show you a day in my .com life. And so we take it, you see what I basically do. I live what's called a .com lifestyle. That's time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. And I achieve that with the power of the internet. Thanks to the internet, it allows me to work from anywhere in the world, and no matter where I am, and as long as I have access to the net, on my phone, or my computer, or whatever, I could log in, update the online business. The online business makes the money, and I get to live the lifestyle. So, come on, let's go live it. Good morning, Widget. How are you? Yeah, you're always great. You're always glad to see me. Want to go to school with Sally? Yeah? Want to go to school with Sally? All right, Sally. Let's go to school. Hey, Sally. Typical say Mercedes. That's all we see at the school. Either Mercedes, Cadillac, or Tesla.
That's Mrs. Fava's daughter.
What?
That's my advisor's daughter.
Nice. I just dropped off Sally to school, and right now in the school itself because I'm here for a conference. As part of the school, they have a Parent Up series. And what they do is they bring in speakers from, I guess, all over the world to help parents of the school educate the child and, raise them better, that kind of stuff. So today, the speaker is Paul Piff, assistant professor at UCI. He's going to talk about emerging science of awe. Okay, breakfast. It's chicken bites. Chicken bites. Interesting choice of breakfast. And a coffee. Actually not bad. Noise levels about to get high in here because the wives have shown up.
Oh my gosh, of course you're Anderson's mom. She is
One way for the school to raise money is to have parents sponsor the chairs in this auditorium. I'm sitting in a chair paid for by Bruce Cahill. Thank you, Bruce. It's like a Real Housewives of Orange County convention.
This morning for the final time in this year's Parent Up Distinguished Speaker Series. As always, I'd like to begin with a short prayer. This is a prayer of kindness. Dear God, if I cannot be brilliant, let me be kind. If I cannot change the world, let me inspire just one other to do so. If I cannot give away riches, let me be loving. Let me be known for kindness, for it is the greatest glory. Amen.
Thanks so much for being here. It really is an honor for me to have the opportunity to come and visit you. It was a long trip from Irvine, but shifts our attention away from that constant buzzing, if you will, of me, what I need, my goals, what I need to do, where I need to be. What shifts our attention away from those things are the and gets us to attune to others. And we should go out in search of those experiences, attend to them, and protect those things that bring them about, because all of us will be better off for it. Thank you all.
Well, that was a very interesting presentation. I kind of rather enjoyed it, being in awe. You may notice that 99% of the attendees there were wives, and I guess that's to be expected. Even in a school where the average tuition is $30,000 a year per student, the majority of the people that's going to show up, especially on a school day or a work day, are going to be wives. Like I guess if you think about it, most schools wouldn't put on events during the same work day simply because, most people wouldn't show up. They have to work. But at this school, the wives here, they have a choice of to work or not to work, right? But when it comes to the husband, it's still right now pretty much no choice. They have to go and bring home the bacon, so to speak. Right now, I am going to head toward Mercedes-Benz Laguna Niguel to check out some cars. Yeah, because I'm still car shopping. Got to replace that Jaguar. My wife decided to not come with me because she's going to hang out with the other Real Housewives of Orange County, and they're going to have some kind of, tea, coffee, lunch, get together. Doesn't include me.
You have reached your destination.
Parking in this place is at a premium. I park it in the show area. All right, let's go find our cars. Ooh, check this out, guys. A GTR. Here's the Green Monster. AMG E63 wagon. It's a 603 horsepower. It's got the stealth gray paint job on it. Oh my god! You know what? This actually looks so cool. And unfortunately, I was looking for the sedan, but this wagon does look so cool. Oh my god!